Imagine 120 men lifting on their shoulders a 3-ton, 80-foot hand-sculpted tower with a 10-piece brass band and dancing it through the streets to the tempo of Italian folk songs. For more than a century in America, this ancient Italian ritual known as the Dancing of the Giglio is celebrated by generations on the streets of East Harlem and now in Franklin Square, Long Island. The Giglio Society of East Harlem and the Sons of San Paolino di Nola proudly invite you to their feast in 2012. To learn about their history, become a member, or make a contribution to the future of one of America's most beautiful feast traditions, please visit our websites.